Alright you guys, USB stick. The car comes with one 2021 Model 3. So as you can see, the USB stick is right there. So as you can see, the USB stick plugs in right where I have my 1TB G external drive plugged into the car, but I'm going to show you. So my 2021 came with this Tesla branded, it's a 2021 Tesla Model 3. Make sure it's in focus. It came with this Tesla branded 128 gig, if you can see that, USB stick. Okay, and I didn't realize that when I got the car, so I don't want to unplug my my 1TB right now, but it plugs in with, if I remember right, the logo this way. So you would plug it in this way right into the USB port where this is going. You just got to make sure that you turn this to the right, plug it in, and it starts working. It's really as simple as that. Be in the setting of safety and security. Sorry about the glare, my apologies. You want to by the way, on another note, you want to allow mobile access, have that turned on, otherwise your app is not going to work very well. Actually, it won't work at all. So very important. But so here I like save clips on honk. When you first plug in for the first time, format USB drive, all you have to do is just hit that. It'll format the drive. You may not even need to, actually, if it comes with the USB stick. But I noticed that with my G drive, my 1TB, and there's so many videos out there saying that you do need to format, meaning that you need to create a separate drive and all that on a computer. I didn't need to do any of that. I just simply hit format USB drive right there, and I was off to the races. So I wanted to point that out today, because I'm sure some of you are going to be out there and you're going to be wondering, what do you need to do to capture, the dash cam vids and Sentry mode and all that good stuff, and it's a lot easier than you think, especially if the the sticks. How do you actually see your footage? It's pretty easy. You just tap here, go to launch view, and you'll be able to see on top here as well. So right here, the three little lines, hit those, and then you could tap all, Sentry, or dash cam, and depending on what you tap is what it will actually let you view. So also just want to walk you around a little bit more. Things that really just can throw people off sometimes is if you go here, you can access a lot of things that you may not realize you can access. Calls, go back here, calendar, camera, energy, charging, web, SDLT connection's a little bit slow, entertainment. By the way, you can actually play these games here by tapping on one of them, and if I was driving and my passenger's here and I want to let them play a game, they just have to tap. I'm not going to do this now, but it shows you to tap that you're not driving, and the screen will work and the game can be played by my passenger while I'm sitting here driving the car. So I think that's a cute feature. It's pretty cool if it's used responsibly. So this here is pretty important and useful. And I don't have a passenger, so I'm not going to do it, but as you can see, the screen here stays on and it will work just fine if I was to tap on a game. No big deal. So today's kind of a quick video just to show you a couple little things that you might find useful about your USB card and how the games themselves work as well. I'm going to take this little road here, keep going. I don't have my camera mounts up the way I want to, so I may stop because because I don't want to be seen holding my camera, because I shouldn't be doing this. Yeah, beautiful day. And I don't have a passenger, so I'm not going to do it, but as you can see, the screen here stays on and it will work just fine if I was to tap on a game. No big deal. So today's kind of a quick video just to show you a couple little things that you might find useful about your USB card and how the games themselves work as well. I'm going to take this little road here, keep going. I don't have my camera mounts up the way I want to, so I may stop because I don't want to be seen holding my camera, because I shouldn't be doing this. Yeah, beautiful day. I have to say I love the way the regen works in this car. It's such a cool feeling. Nice little pothole in the road. That's not a cool feeling. But I mean, the regen's great. Like, look, if I just pick up speed, as soon as I let go, I mean, I'm slowing down big time. I'll show you again. I'll pick up speed, I let go. As you can see, it's like big time slowdown. And it's relatively smooth. Like, I mean, it's a bit jerky if you you know, let off the gas hard, but if you bother to be, you know, pay attention, it works very, very nicely if you just ease off the gas. It's really beautiful. Great feature. And obviously, regen means more battery. Today was the kind of day that really teaches me the same thing that it's going to teach you, which is things are not always what they appear to be. So in other words, you know, I thought back to when I first got the car, and you're kind of overwhelmed no matter how many cars you've had, just because the concept is very, very different, and it's still a car, but it feels very unfamiliar in the coolest of ways. And it would have been so simple for me to actually just look and realize, hey, buddy, there's a USB card, it comes with the car. But every time I would think of it, it would be closer to nighttime, and I'd be in the garage most of the time, because we picked the car up Christmas Eve 2020, and it was winter time. It gets dark earlier, it's cold here, there's a lot of snow in the winter. So I'd be in the garage, and the couple times that I even opened the glove compartment to even look, thinking, where is it? Because it wasn't so easy to find for some reason, even when I search it on the internet. So long story short, I was looking into a dark glove compartment, and if you've gotten used to your car, it's not so obvious. It's dark in there, and unless you're in a well-lit area, you're not going to notice that there's like a little USB port there, and you're also not going to notice that there's a USB sitting there. So I didn't go out and actually buy a brand new G drive with the 1 terabyte. I already had it anyway, and the way I actually figured out there's a USB stick sitting in there with a Tesla logo, like you saw stamped on there, was when I went in the garage. It was still winter. I was fed up, aggravated, and I had found that I thought it might be in the same place as the 2020 in the compartment there near the console, but it was not. So I took the flashlight of my iPhone, stuck it in there, and really had to look carefully, and then realized, to my surprise, guess what? There's a USB stick in there. So that was, you know, the idea behind, not that it's, you know, such an amazing find, but for people that are new, it may freak you out a little bit, and you'll find it pretty useful if you see in the video, in this day-to-day video that I did, that, yeah, there's a USB port right there. Please like, subscribe, help me out, thumbs up, thumbs down, don't care, just interact, do something, help me with the algorithm, hit the subscribe notification bell, and all these things help make the channel rather more popular. Hope this finds you well. Have fun, be safe, see you next time. Lastly, no, the reason this is ending as a hostage video is because I just thought of, you know, what I wanted to say before, and I'm in my garage. I have the car plugged in outside, and I just stopped here spontaneously, and I said, you know what? I just want to make a couple little footnotes for the video and just throw it in there, so that you guys, you know, can just have a little more of the inside scoop on what the deal is with the USB video and mixing it in the way that I did with the rest of the video and the rest of my day with the 2021 Tesla Model 3. So that's it. I'm going to sign off. Don't worry. This is not a hostage video. I've not been taken hostage and held against my will in some dungeon. I'm in the garage. So if the formatting works out, you're going to see a video at the end of this video, and it's from my Tesla dash cam, and it shows like a bunch of garbage strewn across down the street and onto the highway on-ramp, which I saved because I've never really seen that kind of a spill. I mean, it wasn't, you know, it wasn't a lot, but it was a lot because I've just never seen that much, and I included it just as a little dash cam preview, not because you might be interested in looking at garbage, but you might find it as strange as I did. So sometimes strange things are moderately interesting. So that's it. See you soon.